Hey my friend, welcome back to my channel. I am so glad to have you in my channel today as we kick off some exciting DIY project. I am always on the lookout for new ideas and ways to improve my content and share it with you guys. If you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell that you will not miss any update. Let's get started on some awesome DIY project for spring. I have this package that I received from April. I got beautiful napkins, different colors. Look at that, amazing. And this wood plaque that I'm gonna use for my project. And I received a sweet message from her. Thank you so much, April, for all these beautiful napkins. For my first DIY project, I'm going to use this plaque part that I got from Dollar Tree. I want to cut it into two pieces that I will be using one half of this part for my project. I'm using my wood burning tool to cut it in half, being carefully to go slowly and steadily from top to bottom in an air conditioner area because you see the smoke is there. After cutting this part, I am painting the part in white so that the white color shows through the beautiful napkin that I will be covering it with. Once the paint has dried, I'm applying a coat of Mod Podge to the pot and placing the napkin on top, making sure to dab it to ensure it sticks. First, removing 2 layers from this napkin to add it on top of this pot. Applying Mod Podge first, then add a piece of this napkin on top, cover all around this half pot and cut the excess around. Next, I'm going to work on the wood plaque. I'm painting it with this beautiful green wax and let it dry. I applied some Mod Podge on top of this piece of wood. I let it dry again. I grab another napkin to remove these 2 layers and place it on top of this Mod Podge. I am using a mini iron and parchment paper to press down this napkin, avoiding any air bubbles. Finally, I'm removing the excess napkin with this sanding box. And some Mod Podge on top of this napkin to seal this piece. Now I'm hot gluing the half pot on top of this piece of wood and fill it with some roses of my choice. Some greenery, some roses. Let's make a backing for this DIY. I have been using this square sign that I got from Dollar Tree and some pretty scrapbook paper that I got from Michael's to cover this sign. I am using hot glue to glue this paper on top of the sign and these half beads or half wooden beads. Glue them on top and on the bottom to add some details to my sign. I'm using this E6000 glue and hot glue to add this piece of wooden center. Then I hot glue these 2 D-rings to add a piece of twine to hang this wall decor. Tap, adding some border stickers that I have painted with the light gray mixed with some light blue to match the design. One on the bottom and one on the top. Et voila! This DIY project is perfect for spring or Mother's Day too. Don't forget to let me know in your comment below what do you think about this DIY. Today's video, I am excited to have participated with a group of crafters to exchange napkins as part of a collaboration called the Exchange Napkins Challenge. Let's talk about this collaboration before to go to the second DIY. This monthly napkin exchange challenge is hosted by an amazing crafter, Sarah from Self-Flowers and DIYing, and this month's co-host is Sandy from Z9 Designs. Make sure to check out all these ladies' channels naked in my description box below, as well as the playlist where you can enjoy watching talented lady making incredible DIYs using napkins. In this collaboration, a group of crafters exchange napkins to share their creativity for inspiration. I sent mine to the host, Sarah, and I received some beautiful napkins from April that I showed before. Let's go to the second DIY now. Stay tuned to the end. It's another beautiful project. For the second DIY, I have this small frame and a long sign that I got from Dollar Tree, 2 pieces of wood, and this gray wall tile that I got from Dollar Tree too, and this beautiful napkin. I am going to create such a cute project. I'm taking this brown contact paper and cover the back of the sign. Next, I'm painting the surface that I'm going to use as the backing for the second DIY project. I'm painting with white chalk paint to let this white color show through the napkin. After it dry, I am adding a coat of Mod Podge and let it dry again before I put my napkin on top. Take this beautiful napkin and use parchment paper and a mini iron to activate the Mod Podge and make the napkin stick. Now I'm taking these 2 thick pieces of wood and paint them with white chalk paint only all around to create borders for my project. I don't need to paint the front of this piece of wood because I'm going to stick this piece of gray wall tile on the front of this piece of wood. So I'm hot gluing these 2 pieces of gray wall tile on front of these 2 borders. Now I am removing the excess of the napkin around the sign with sanding black. Hot gluing these 2 borders with wood glue and hot glue. Then I hold them with these clamps for a few minutes. For the small frame, I hot glue the glass all around so it not move, and I add a small piece of napkin in the bottom, applying some Mod Podge first and then dab gently to let it stay there, like this. And a Mod Podge, then a piece of napkin. I'm looking to add some stickers, but instead of using stickers, I add tiny flowers and greenery with hot glue in the back of this frame. Some greenery, some flowers. So I hot glue this rope all around the frame to create elevation and make the design pipe out. Hot glue all around with hot glue. Next, I'm adding this glue E6000 and the hot glue all around the rope to glue it in the center of this sign. Voila. I really want to add some details like this silver pearl lace all around the frame to add some decoration. Voila, hot glue it all around this frame. And the sticker in the center of the frame too, and earrings, the twine to hang this wall decor. Is so cute, pretty, beautiful. What do you think, guys, about this one? Let me know in your comment below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIY ideas. Thank you so much for watching and for your sweet comments. See you soon. A bientôt. Bye.